All right, guys, we're gonna do some legs at home. This is something anybody can do. Resistance band, put it under your feet, right? And boom, squat. That's one. Make sure you squeeze on each rep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm really squeezing my quads, as you can see. All right, look. Let me show you guys. Boom. And I don't have the biggest legs, but they'll get there once this quarantine shit is over. Make sure you squeeze your quads, squeeze your glutes. All right, we're supersetting. We got some 30-pound dumbbells, and boom. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys. 20 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. This shit is crazy. I got 7 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you try this workout. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe during this COVID-19 pandemic going on. Try to work out. Keep yourself sane. Look good, feel good at least while you're in the house. And hopefully everything will get better. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.